Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel which is called Big Info Data System. And today we are going to do this three topics, which is accessing the command line using the local console, and we are going to cover this is for real operating system, and full form is it's a Red Hat Enterprise Linux version 7. So in today video we are going to cover these three things. First thing, accessing command line using local console. Second thing, accessing command line using desktop. Third thing is executing command line using the bash shell. Okay, so first of all, you should know what is a local console. For example, let's suppose you are in front of your system, and that system you can see in front of you, that's called console. So here yesterday I have created one of the operating system. So in case if your operating system is in power off status, make sure it's running. So for running you need to go power and startup. My operating system is already start, so I no need to power on it. You have to go inside the system. So this is the account what I have created. Bits, enter the username password that you enter during the installation. Okay, so you are now in front of the operating system. This is what we call console. So you need to basically understand this is console, where you can see the system screen, desktop, you can access your system completely. Okay, let's move to the second point, which is accessing the command line using the desktop. So it's a similar concept what we have in Windows operating system. What you go to start, run the command cmd, then you get this black prompt which is we call command line. You can run any of the command. Here administrator used to do different commands like date, all these things. Okay, so now in a Linux operating system, how to access this? Right click, go to terminal. So here we go, you can see this screen. Here you can see all your dates, your time, whatever command you want to run, you can run it. Okay, now let's move to the third point, which is the final one, executing command using the bash shell. Here you need to understand we have two type of. First you need to understand what is shell. Shell is a way of, it will it's provide you interface for the user, where you can enter the input to the system. Without this you cannot do anything. You cannot enter your instructions to the computer, and you need to know how many shell we have. I mean, what are who uses the shell. Basically user use, and it may be normal user and maybe administrator. So you have question in mind like who is administrator and who is normal user, what's the difference? So normal user which runs their basic commands only. Administrator is like a system owner who can do anything inside the system. So for shell, for user, we can see this dollar signature. So that means this shell is for the user. In case if you switch to root, su space hyphen, that is basically to switch from simple user to administrator, and you have to enter the same password that you have given for the bits during the installation. And here you will get the hash prompt, which is for the root administrator. You need to remember one most important thing. Inside the Linux operating system, we call that administrator root, not administrator. Administrator we call in Windows operating system. So guys, hope you like this video and you will enjoy it, and you will enhance your knowledge. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get more video, and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of the important informative video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.